Greetings to you all, and I welcome you all to Undergraduate Research Institute. I'm really glad to have you all here, and I'm super excited that you all join and support these groups. And inshallah, I'm going to try my best in dispatching my duties and try my best so that I can help each and every one of us in our research pathway. So today, mainly, why the group is being reactivated is that we want to discuss on our projects for those that are interested to do it by themselves. So our today's topic will be based on how to do our project all by ourselves. But as I've spoken earlier, I've sent it to the group that it's going to be based on 9 sessions. So the first day, I've explained that earlier. So today, I'm just going to do a recap on what is a project in a very summarized way. So tomorrow we start with more elucidation on it. So today we start with what is a project in itself. Majorly, project is just a research work. A research work being done by a student in order to award them as part of the partial fulfillment, in order to award them their degrees level. So now, for my department, we inform an individual choose a topic they like. So after you have gotten a topic, the first thing you need to do is for you to do research more on the topics, need to know what you have to do and what is to be done. So for research, for project has different kind of stages or different parts. We have the pretext, those that comes before the chapters. Majorly, most of the project used to be chapter 1 to chapter 5. And some of them are chapter 1 to chapter 6. But chapter 6 is not that really important because it's only references. So it can be incorporated in chapter 5. So majorly, the pretext that comes before the project is we have to talk on, firstly, we have to get our declaration, certifications, acknowledgements, our abstracts. So that's what comes before it. But sometimes abstracts used to after the table of the context. But we can write abstract before the table of the constraint, most of the times, based on the format given to you by your project supervisors. So after we have written our acknowledgements, all these things I mentioned, we are going to do an elaboration on it tomorrow. It's graduate by graduate. So we talk on how to do our dedication. I know it's very simple to some of us. We have to be considered because this thing is majorly to help us in our research all by ourselves without no one's help. We just need to do this thing by ourselves with our colleagues and gather something together to make it perfect. So we have to do for our dedication, acknowledgements, certifications. Certifications sometimes can be called our project approvers, dedication, declarations, and not every project topic has to get a declaration. I'm going to talk about it. So declaration, acknowledgement, and abstracts. So how to write an abstract, I'm going to talk about it, but know one thing for sure, abstract is only written at the end of your research, like after you are done with your chapter 4. And chapter 5. So abstract is the first thing you see in a project, like about your project work, but it's the last thing you are going to write. But when you incorporate everything together, it will be the first thing that will tells the person that is invigilating you what your research work is all about. So after that, we move to chapter 1. In our chapter 1, we have to talk about a background of the study. After the background of the study, we have to talk about